Hey, how's it going? So I saw your video, on YouTube, and you said I had to beat a Rubik's Cube in under 5 minutes. So I'm going to be using my GoPro here, and you're actually going to be mounted to my chest here. So you will get a bird's eye view of how it looks to solve a Rubik's Cube. So this hopefully does not mean that I had to start it right from here. So great, I don't have a view of anything right now, so why don't I actually? Okay, I'm going to get an idea on how I'm going to do this, and I'm going to start when it reaches 2 minutes. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, that was 1:20. And as you can see, all 6 sides are completely solved. So, yeah. Hopefully I will win this, because as you can see, I love Rubik's Cubes. So, thanks again for doing this like to giveaway. See you later.